This video is about the round node and creating an emissive ring in Unreal Engine materials. First, I'm gonna explain what the round node is, what it's used for, and how we can use it. Then I'm gonna create these materials. So let's do it. Right-click in the material graph and search for round. Two results will pop up. They're essentially the same. This one is a material function. I'll explain how it works later in the video. It has one input, one output, and nothing here in the details tab. We can use this section to add a comment to the node. We can also right-click on the node and add the comment from here. So what does it do? It checks the fractional part of the input. If the fraction is equal or greater than 0.5, it outputs the next whole number. And if the fraction is less than 0.5, it outputs the whole number of the input. Fractions are the decimal part of values, like 0.3 in 1.3. Whole numbers are numbers without fractions, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. For example, if the input is 1.5, the output will be 2. In this example, the fractional part is 0.5, so round will output the next whole number, which is 2. If the input is 3.3, the output will be 3. The fractional part is 0.3, so the round will output the whole number of the input, which is 3. This one is a material function. If we double click and open it, we can see that it does exactly the same as what I explained. Watch the if node to better understand it. It's better to use this node though, it's cheaper. Next, I'll create these materials. But before getting to that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also join our communities on Telegram, Discord and Facebook. And if you're interested in supporting the channel, check out my Patreon. The links are in the description. Add a radial gradient and connect it to the base color. By default, we get this gradient. If I add the round node here, the transition becomes sharp. Add a constant, set it to 0.7 and connect it to the radius input. Duplicate the nodes, set the radius of this one to 0.6. Add a subtract node and subtract this from this. Now we get the ring mask. Move these here and press C to comment them. Add a named reroute node and name it ring mask. Named reroutes are great for better organizing the material. Next, I'll multiply the ring mask by a constant 3 and connect it to the base color. Now we can control the color of the ring. Multiply it by another constant and connect it to the emissive color input. This one will control the emissive intensity. If I connect the ring mask to opacity mask and set the blend mode of the material to mask, we can get this effect. Now we can parameterize these values to control them from a material instance. This one will be outer radius. This one will be inner radius. Color. And emissive intensity. Save the material and create a material instance. Assign it to this cube and open it. Now we can change the parameters to get different results. These are some of the materials I made. This is what it looks like when I use it with the noise texture from the starter content. Add a blue and a red color. Connect them to a lerp like this. Use the noise texture, run it through the round node and the saturate node and use it as the alpha. This is the result. This is without round This is with round. Without with. Click here for more Unreal stuff, and thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and join our community on Telegram, Discord, and Facebook. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. So, see you in the next one.